Taking classes at Digital Workshop has helped me because starting a project or a new business on your own is difficult without a lot of funding, and so the more I can do by myself, the better. My name is Sue McCullough, and my day job is being a licensed clinical social worker, and I'm also the developer and creator of Sports Countdown calendars. And in designing and learning how to make those calendars, I've come to Digital Workshop, and I've taken classes in Illustrator, WordPress, social media. I can update my own professional web page. I'm better at writing blogs. My favorite course probably is Illustrator, just because I had struggled with it so much trying to learn it on my own, and to have someone who is actually an expert in it sit down and work through the lessons and get other people's inputs was very, very helpful. What I've enjoyed the most about the instructors is, first of all, they're all very knowledgeable, but they're all very entertaining and very willing to help, and they don't really care how stupid your question is. They're happy to answer it. Being a non-traditional student, I have found that Digital Workshop is very affordable compared to other classes I've taken at a university or even at community college. My experience here at Digital Workshop has been very positive, and I look forward to taking my next class in October.